everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to get an animated profile picture on Steam. If you have seen other players with moving avatars and want the same for your profile, stay tuned. It's actually super easy once you know where to look. Start by opening the Steam app on your PC or go to the Steam website and log into your account. For that, let me open my browser. Search for Steam website. Tap on this three-line menu icon at the top left and tap on your profile name at the top. And here tap Edit Profile. Now this is where you can customize everything including your avatar. Now here's the important part. Animated avatars on Steam are not free by default. You need to get them from the points shop. For that, you need to swipe a little bit. And here you can find this Steam points shop. Let me go back and tap on avatar. And here, choose from animated avatars. If you already own one, just pick it here. If not, browse point shops to find new avatars, just as I showed you before from this section. In the points shop, you will see a variety of animated avatars. These usually cost Steam points, which you earn when you buy games or items on Steam. Pick one you like and purchase it using your points. Once you have bought it, go back to the Edit Profile section and select your new animated avatar. Once done, tap Save at the bottom right and then your profile picture will be animated. And that's it. That's how you get an animated profile picture on Steam. It's a great way to stand out and personalize your account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment about which avatar you chose. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.